Hi everyone, just wanted to show you our electrification of Faro Basso that we've just completed. And this is a lovely little 1954 Vespa that has one of our wide mount kits in it. And just have a little ride here. So we've got the wide mount Vespa kit in it, 4 kilowatt motor as we have in all our kits. And this one I've actually put the new 48 volt battery on it. Now, the 48 volt battery runs a little slower. We can probably tweak it to do about 45 mile an hour, maybe 50. Now, what you lose in top speed, you actually gain in range. So with this little 48 volt, 50 amp hour battery, you're able to do, well, just about 50 miles range. And that's just one. So double that if you put 2 batteries on board. So just taking it out for a little ride here and give you an idea of how nice and tranquil the ride is as well. I know we all love our 2-stroke engines, and Retrospective does still restore classic 2-strokes as well as this electrification that we do to our classics. Now, this is just an option. When someone comes to our shop and has their scooter converted to electric, we always give them their old engine back, because you never know, when you sell it on to the next customer, they may want to put the old engine back in. And of course our kit is a reversible process and we don't do any damage to the bikes, and you can put the old engine back in at the old 2-stroke. Now, these electric engines are a nice smooth ride. They're very easy to ride. You're clicking the key fob to turn it on and off, and you're just twisting the throttle to go. So super easy. Just do a right hand turn here. Super easy to ride. A nice smooth ride. Also very bright LED lights on it as well, and very excellent rear disc brake, which is a nice touch when you need it. Now, Faro Bassos, although they're an iconic lovely old Vespa, anyone who owns one will tell you that not the best to try and start and run on a regular basis. This can be a regular user. With our electric kit, it gives it reliability, it gives it ease of use, it makes it so much nicer, nice and easy to ride, I should say. And the idea behind it as well is that, you know, there's a lot more people coming into this classic scooter world because they see this as an easier way to ride these old classics without the worry of unreliability or, you know, gears and clutches and trying to start it. That's what we're trying to give people the option of as well. So if you've got an old motor that's 2-stroke, that's clapped out and done, and you just need some reliability on any of our old classic scooters, Lambretta or Vespa, then the electrification is a good option.